All right, we are at Costco, headed in for a Costco haul. Let's see, where's my helper? Where's my helper? There's my helper. One helper, little helper, big helper. And I have not done a Costco haul for a while, so this will be fun. Just doing our monthly stock up, and we'll just bring you along and show you what we get. Best big sister ever.
We're going to start in July and I'll get all those back.
What do you see? Oh my goodness. All right, I have these containers and they're great.
But hey Mom, if the sample says eggs, I can't have one.
Exactly, but if it has no eggs, then you can have it.
But if I don't like them, I don't have to have them.
No, you don't have to. It's just if you want to.
Have it.
Just if you want to. Ooh, these are nice. I like those. It's a 2-pack. Not that I need cutting boards, but they're nice. I like these colanders too. They look like they wouldn't get bent out of shape. They're nice and solid. No, I can't justify it because I already have some. Ooh, look at these pans. Oops, those are interesting. I don't, but I like them. They're little. I actually really like those because they're so small. They'd be really easy to could put in an air fryer oven, or you could even use them as little plates. I like those. Those are cool.
They're $10.
Oh, I have some of these. They're really nice.
I like those.
Storage containers in the pantry. These mugs are so cute. But again, I can't justify it. I have so many mugs. And I like these too. These little taco holders. They're so fun. Tortilla holder. Yeah, I know. Aren't those cool? That's what I was looking at.
Yeah.
Spread, dunk, dip. Cute. Ooh, I like this too. Oh, wow. Look at that. Those are cool. Man, they keep thinking of such cute things. I love those. Oh, and the tray is all patterned too. Those are very cool. I like that a lot. Levi is going on a road trip with Dad, leaving tomorrow, so he got some new clothes for the road trip. Some cool shorts, some other cool shorts. So he is all set, aren't you? Aren't you?
Yeah.
Oh.
Put this shit on.
No, you can't put it on in the car. We'll wait until we get home to put it on. All right, I tried these healthy noodle last time, and I need to get some more because they were really good. I think I have 1 packet left.
Let's put them over here.
Put it over here? I'm gonna get 2 boxes. Okay, if you want them over there, just don't step on them.
I'm not.
There you go.
Irish cheddar.
I think I would rather have Irish cheddar, and they have the 2 different kinds usually. Oh, maybe they only have the one this time because they have one that has like a black label. So, all right, we'll get this for our cheese. Special cheese. I know, it's so good.
I love Irish cheddar.
Need some salami. All right, throw that in. And let's go this way. Just jumping in real quick to say thank you to Haya, who is the sponsor of today's video. Haya is a children's vitamin, and my kids have been using it for the last couple of months, and we are all loving it. If you've ever shopped for children's vitamins, you know that most of them are basically candy in disguise. All you have to do is turn around the package and look at the ingredients, and you'll see all kinds of things like artificial colors, all different kinds of sugar, and just junk. Haya, on the other hand, is very different. They're committed to quality, and they don't put any of that junk in there, and they're sugar-free. Basically, Haya was designed by parents who just wanted something better for their own kids than what they found on the market. Another thing I love about Haya is that they're committed to being eco-friendly. Instead of a new plastic bottle every shipment, you get on your first shipment this nice glass bottle that is refillable, and then each month you'll get an eco-friendly little bag of the vitamins, and you just refill your glass bottle and you're good to go, and it just saves on the plastic waste. Haya is offering a special deal to my viewers. you can get 50% off of your first order if you use my link, the one here on the screen or down in the description. Just click that link, hayahealth.com/indigo, and that will get you 50% off of your first order. Thanks again so much to Haya for sponsoring today's video. Did I get you? Oh, they got new flavor of Waterloo.
What is it?
Blackberry lemonade, peach, and cherry limeade. They're all pretty good, except I don't really care for peach. Maybe.
Like it?
I'm sure other people will drink it. I think I'll still get it because they're still good. All right, gotta get some burgers.
We need frozen fruit.
Oh, what kind?
Wet. We have that.
What do
mix,
we have a mix?
But we've used up about half of it.
Okay.
Used up a lot.
Maybe pick one bag of what you want.
Okay.
And get organic.
Let's see. This mix has so many
All right.
with berries.
Oh, okay. So that one has mango and
Pineapple. And strawberry.
All right.
All the good stuff.
All the good stuff. Oh, broccoli. You guys have been obsessed with broccoli recently. Let's get 2 bags.
2?
Yeah. So I don't need bacon today because I just got it last time I was here, but I was so excited to see this price come down. It was up to like $20 for a pack a few months ago, and I'm just so glad that bacon prices are coming down. Crispy dillies. I feel like we looked at these before. Fried cucumbers. They brought
Flavored fried cucumbers. Sounds really
enriched flour, vegetable oil, maltodextrin.
good. You see what it is?
Yeah, that's a no. But they look yummy. We ran out of sausage, which is a tragedy. Here, you want to go put that in the cart. Here, you want to put this one in?
Cheddar cheese.
It's cheddar jack. Yeah. All right. I think we've spent all of our money now. Are we out of money yet?
No.
Oh.
No. Just go to the bank, Mom.
Exactly. That's a magic card.
Oil?
All right, Levi, where are the chocolate chips we get?
Mom,
Oh, avocado oil? Yeah, go grab one of those bottles. Do you see the ones we get? Okay, grab one.
oil. Over here. Good job.
Cane sugar, first ingredient. I've looked at this one before. It looks really good. But
I'm gonna get 2 packs.
cane sugar,
I'm gonna get 2
third ingredient.
packs.
No, just one is plenty. Just one.
But that's we're gonna eat all of it so fast.
I know you will. Nope, don't need lemon juice. Oh, freeze-dried herbs. Interesting. Cilantro, guacamole, red onion. Those look good. $13.99. That's interesting. I wonder if they taste as good as fresh. That's what I wonder. Freeze-dried cilantro, red onion, cilantro, lemon, tomato, red chili, garlic, cumin, freeze-dried red onion. Yeah. Interesting idea. Stocking up.
Any sugar?
Nope. You have enough sugar for all of us. Because you're so sweet.
I love you.
Where do they call them? Deep fried.
I'm also glad that the vanilla came down in price. This was up to like $25.
$25.
It was crazy expensive. The kids requested some regular barbecue sauce instead of the 0 sugar. And at least this one just has sugar and not high fructose corn syrup. So get that for the kids. Bacon crumbles. Let's see. $8.99. Grab that. Yeah, we ran out. These look good.
Let's do it good.
Ugh, I didn't want to.
We should.
All right,
put
we'll
it
get
in
it.
the cart.
I bet Dad will want some for his trip.
Oh, that'd be nice.
And he wanted almond
jerky.
flour crackers. Yeah, beef jerky's at the front. But almond flour crackers should be up here for road trip snacks. Oh, yeah, there's one. Can you grab it?
Can we get some for us?
The crackers?
Yeah.
They're for you and Dad for your trip.
Oh.
Just one?
Yeah, just one. All right, I think we've done enough damage. Did we get everything we needed?
Yep.
All I need is the
All
cheese.
you need is your cheese. I
And
got my
mozzarella.
fresh mozzarella. That's good.
Jeez.
I think we're set for a few days.
That was cool.
A few days.
Yeah.
Pretty much.
The way you guys eat.
Divide this into 3 portions. Levi's gonna be gone. We're gonna eat it all.
Yeah. A goat squishmallow. Just like our goats at home.
$14.99.
I understand that.
Just scan one at a time.
$99.
I'm gonna get this one. I'm gonna see what.
Where's the tag?
It's right in here, I think. Right there, see? Good job.
$1.99.
Levi's gonna do his clothing haul first. What is this?
Pants.
Shorts?
Yeah. Sure.
Yeah. And what else?
More short pants.
More shorts. Those are very nice.
Yeah.
They're actually going to
And here's some
Jeff's
more-
grandma's
and then-
funeral. Some
and then
shirts.
shirts.
Yep. And so I figured he needed a few new clothes because we just cleaned out his drawers because he turned 5, and when you turn 5 you just get bigger, right?
Yeah.
And so he grew out of all of his 4 things and needed to get some like 5, 6s because he's getting so big.
Can I get?
Oh, wait. Yeah, I'll open it up for you and then you can go try some on, okay?
Okay, I want to try that one on.
The red? Oh, this one? The blue?
Yeah.
Okay. We have our haul spread out here and over there, so we'll just go one by one, show you what we got. I got some chicken tenderloins because I want to make some chicken strips with my protein breading recipe. Got some frozen fruit for the kids for their smoothies that they love to make. For some reason, they've been obsessed with broccoli recently, cooking in the air fryer. Well, they like it really anyway. And last time I made some, like they fought over it and there wasn't enough for everyone. So I got 2 big bags of broccoli, got a bag of organic carrots, some chocolate chips for the kids baking, as well as their trail mixes. What do you think of those clothes?
Good.
Do they fit you real good?
Yeah.
They make you run fast?
No.
No?
I just run fast.
Oh, you just know how to run fast already?
Yeah.
Well, they look very nice. I got 2 boxes of the healthy noodles. I did a review of these in a video recently. I'll put up in the cards if you haven't seen it. I got some cottage cheese, some cheddar jack shredded cheese, organic Kinder's barbecue sauce for the kids, big thing of avocado oil to stock up on, 2 things of burger patties. I love these for easy meals. They go so quick in the air fryer. So I needed to stock up on those. I was all the way out. I also needed to stock up my spice pantry, like my stock pantry downstairs. I got 3 of the organic Italian seasoning and 3 of the granulated onion. Got vanilla because we're almost out of that. Talia requested some more salami, so I got her some salami. Bacon crumbles. The kids love this on all kinds of things. Levi will just eat it like cereal in a bowl with a spoon. So got that for everybody. Got some egg whites for like experimenting in recipes. We do have our own chickens here, so I have a lot of eggs of our own, but it's really hard to use up so many egg yolks when you're doing egg white recipes, and I definitely don't want them to go to waste. So sometimes it's nice just to buy some cartoned egg whites so you can just have that freedom and not have to make gallons of lemon curd and things like that, although that sounds really good right now. Anyways, got some apples, and then let's head over to the other table. Stocked up on Bubs's dog food. Over here we have these snack items that Jeff and Levi will take on their road trip to Idaho. Jeff requested some beef jerky, so I got the Tillamook zero sugar jerky. These looked yummy. I don't love the Parmesan ones because I feel like the flavor is too strong, but these are Asiago pepper jack, and I thought they might be a little bit less Parmesan-y. So I got these. He'll either take them if he wants them, or if he doesn't want them, I'll keep them and use them for snacks and things. Talia also said she wanted to try them. And then a box of almond flour crackers for road trip snacks. We were out of breakfast sausage. We eat breakfast sausage a lot around here, especially my husband. And so I got 2 bags of breakfast sausage patties. I got a pack of fresh mozzarella. Talia requested some Irish cheddar. That is her absolute favorite cheese. She loves it, so I got one of those for her. I got a box of kombucha for my husband. I got some bananas. I got a pack of string cheese, big bag of potatoes. The kids will do their own air fryer potatoes and different things with those. Some non-food items, AAA batteries, some sponges, and some garbage bags. Also picked up 2 packs of the summer flavor Waterloos. It seems like every season they'll have a different set of 3 flavors, and some are better than others. I do really like the blackberry lemonade. I like the cherry limeade better than just the plain cherry, so I like that one. I don't care for the plain cherry. I don't really care for the peach very much, but the kids will drink it, and my husband will probably drink it too, so it'll get used. So this was the biggest Costco haul I've had in a while, $595.94. Ooh, that was a big one. I will do a quick scan of the receipt here just in case there's anything that you were curious about the price on. Thanks so much for shopping with us today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we will just see you in the next one.